If you'd like to transform your pantry shelves from this to this, stay tuned. Hey, good people! Welcome to Mommy Room Redo, a show created to help you moms design homes that you'll love and your kids will enjoy. In this video, I'll show you how to jazz up your pantry shelves in just 5 simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1, clean out your pantry. Believe it or not, this was my real pantry. And yes, it was overstocked, overloaded, it's just a hot mess. I couldn't find anything. I didn't know what I had. So as a first step, I cleared everything out. Fortunately, I don't have any furniture in my dining room, so I used that area to sort, toss things I didn't need, and just take stock. Step 2, scrub your pantry. Aside from removing all of the items that were in the pantry, I also thought it would be a good idea to give that pantry a good scrub. So I washed the walls, I washed all of the racks from top to bottom. Here you see me on my hands and knees scrubbing that pantry floor. I used a product called Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Got it from Walmart for $2.94. Now, Mr. Clean did an okay job with the majority of the pantry, but its performance really picked up when I used it on the pantry door. Step 3, measure your shelves. You'll want to do this step pretty early in the process so you can decide what method you want to use for redesigning your pantry shelves. The pricing and everything all depends on the size of your shelves. In my case, the pantry shelves are pretty standard. They're 16 inches deep by 33 inches wide for one side, and then they're still 16 inches deep on the other side, but they're a lot wider. So just be sure to take the appropriate measurements before you make the call on how you're going to cover your pantry shelves. Step 4, determine your approach. Once you're clear on the size of your pantry shelves, you can make the call as to how you'd like to proceed. For instance, you may choose a product like the Closet Maid Shelf Liner. It's prefabricated and it comes in predetermined sizes. So I was able to find a 16-inch deep liner. It's plastic, it's clear, and it's easy to use. You may also choose to design your shelves yourself. You do that by getting a contact paper like the one pictured here. I purchased this from Walmart for $5.48. I then attach that contact paper to the foam board that you see here. It's a little more expensive at Walmart, so I'm going to suggest that you get your foam board from the dollar store. Since I knew I'd be doing this video, I tried both approaches, and you can check them out and see which one works best for you. So for step 5, I'm going to show you both approaches. If you're going to design your shelves yourself, you need to prepare your foam board. You do that by measuring the foam board and cutting it to the appropriate size. Here I show you how the foam board will fit into your pantry when it's uncovered. A lot of other creators do this in 2 pieces. I've learned how to do it in 1 by simply making that foam board 2 inches longer, so making it 18 inches and folding over 2 inches so that it will fit snugly in the pantry. All right, so here we have the foam board that is completely covered in the contact paper. You'll notice that it's in 2 parts, and that's because this is to cover the wider section of the pantry. You'll also notice that the lip is covered as well, and that will help to encase the whole wire shelf. And let me point out those wrinkles that are in the contact paper. That led to some frustration on my part, just constantly trying to smooth them out. But ultimately, I got it done. If you're going to use the prefabricated liner by Closet Maid, you simply cut the liner and place it. It'll probably take you less than a minute. Here's the finished product. Your pantry will be completely redesigned. And here's a view of how your pantry will look once the food items have returned. For a tutorial on how to completely revamp your pantry with labels, containers, a blackboard, lighting, and more, tune in to our Extreme Pantry Redo video. Thanks for tuning in, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Take